How to fix messenger notification not working on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this power icon. If you want to fix this problem, so click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. After click on notification, click on do not disturb and make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on again settings app, scroll down and click on apps. Scroll down and search messenger app from here. For example, click on messenger app and click on clear cache. After clear cache messenger app, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.